Sir, myself Suresh sir. I'm from Vanapati. I want one explanation about a quotation, sir.
Yes.
The quotation is sharpness or intelligence is one of the byproducts of consciousness. Please explain on this, sir.
Yes. Intelligence or sharpness is
Yes.
byproduct of consciousness. Yes. Consciousness. If you understand the consciousness, meaning of consciousness, you'll be able to easily be sharp or intelligent. What is intelligence? What is sharpness? What is consciousness? To be awake is consciousness. To be awake. The sleeping will not be conscious. Physically sleeping. Mentally will also be not conscious. When you come out of sleep, then you say that I am conscious. That means you are able to see the things as it is. In sleep also you will see something. You will see something in dream that is not conscious in this world. That is not physically conscious or mentally conscious. Even if we are awake from sleep, what will happen sometimes is we will not be here and now. Our mind will be somewhere else. Our mind will be somewhere else. When you are in this class, and if you are thinking about something about your office, that means you are not conscious about this class. If you are not conscious about this class particular right now, you will not apply your knowledge at this particular moment. Then you can say that you are not sharp or you are not intelligent. If you are not here and now, you cannot say that you are conscious. You are sleeping. Mentally sleeping, physically not sleeping. So being here and now is consciousness. If we are here and now, if we are completely here in this particular moment, you will be able to apply anything. If you have some knowledge, if you are not here and now, you cannot apply it. You cannot instantly apply it. That means your intelligence will not work. So my dear friends, if you truly want to be intelligent or sharp, you should try to practice to be here and now in this particular moment. We should learn to be in this moment. Normally we don't take that much seriously all the things. That is why we will be driving and thinking of something. We'll be in a movie and we'll be thinking of something. We will be talking to somebody and thinking of something. We are habituated like that, doing multiple things at a particular time. We should stop that. Even if we are doing small things like eating is very small. What we have to do is we should be completely in eating only. Eat while you are eating, walk while you are eating, walking. That is what is meditation. Buddha said. Eat while you are eating, walk while you are walking. That is meditation. Being in this particular moment is meditation. It may be a small task. Start with small task. Try to be conscious or aware or be 100% in small task initially. Eating, taking bath, or doing some small works. Start with that. Then slowly your awareness or consciousness will increase. When your awareness or consciousness is increased in smaller things, you can apply the same thing or continue the same thing to a bigger task like doing office work or driving, many other things. If you are focusing on smaller things, you will not be able to manage yourself in bigger things. We don't try to focus in smaller things and we try to focus in bigger things and we don't get focus because we are habituated. We are naturally habituated to neglect smaller things. That negligence will continue in the bigger things also. See, if you are a student and if you go to exams, if you are not habituated to focus on particular thing, in exam also you will not be able to focus and you will not be able to remind or apply your knowledge because you are habituated. In the same way in life, if you don't habituate yourself with smaller things, when bigger things comes, when any problem comes in your life, you will not be able to apply your wisdom intelligently or at a particular given time. Sharpness means you would apply brakes at a particular time, apply horn at a particular time. That is sharp, instantly, immediately, with speed. Your sharpness and intelligence will not be there unless otherwise you try to use it on regular basis. So negligence should be removed from smaller things, then bigger things will be managed automatically. So my dear friends, if you truly want to become more intelligent, more wise, more sharp, be conscious in smaller things also. Try to be conscious here and now. In particular, even if very small thing, try to be here completely. Practicing living in the moment will give you more intelligence, will give you more consciousness, will give you more wiseness or sharpness, whatever the qualities. All the qualities of soul will come here and now. If you are here and now completely. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Please thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button if you not yet.